Where's all our buddies at, man?
They're fair.
Beautiful day.
Raining?
I don't see no rain.
I think their name starts with a P.
I think they're fair weather riders. What do you think, Mikey?
Well, I put it this way, since Marcia said that, if it pours, they'll never see this. But if it don't, so we're getting ready to do a ride. Temperature's nice. As you can tell, Ed's putting on his rain gear right now.
Only the pants.
Only the pants.
Because of the road.
And we got a nice ride planned. I bet you there's over 200 curves. Well, let's do it. This here is our maps. We had two of them. They're both the Google map, and this is just a picture of it. Now, once we get the web page going, you can go to the web page, click on the map, and you'll get this live Google map. And I was wrong before when I said you click and drag the man. You just click on the man, everything turns blue, and especially where the route is, you click on that, and you can kind of see where we went. So you can kind of go back and see all the roads we went down any place on that route. And like I said, this will be on our web page. Talking about our web page, this is our web page, and the older rides that are most recent go down here. But going back to the top of the page, the newest ride will be right there. And then our back roads, every time we put a web page out, we always add, it starts where 125 is. I got two 125s, and that's one of them right there, and it takes you to that, just to get you an idea of how the website works when you find out more information on this. Well, when we planned this route the night before, we knew the weather, we were really supposed to get a lot of rain today. So we tried keeping it within 30 or 40 miles from Gainesville and Alachua at all times. It ended up being like a 145-mile ride, but it was going through all these back roads. We put them all together, and this is the video of it. This has all the potential of being the big dog road. We're going to find out.
Head to the right at your waypoint. Get half a mile.
big dog.
Here comes the dog. There.
Now this was kind of neat coming up on this clip. One of these roads with the fences on both sides, there was a calf there. He was walking down the road. I passed him, and before the group could get to him, he knew where to jump over the fence, and he went back to the herd. I don't think we've been down this road.
What's coming after me here?
There's a restaurant. I wonder how good that is.
Grill.
That might be it right there. Now we're on Highway 240, and what we were talking about was that house back there. It's kind of unusual, and you can't see it in the summertime, but in the wintertime when everything's about dead, you can see it. 240 here that we're on, County Road, it is nice. Freshly paved, and there we're by the stop by Nettle Sausage.
Nice ride today.
Hey, them roads look pretty
I
nice.
think they look great. I think they look great.
How did you like them roads, baby?
They were fun. Very nice.
Here we're at our stop. I got to get my peanuts and Coke here going, and then we'll continue. One of them, oops, wrong turn. Don't let the video clip fool you. We were there probably a good 10 minutes trying to figure out how to get back on route here.
Now turn right.
And here we're downtown, Alachua.
Finally.
We're going to get ourselves something to eat.
We went around our elbow to get to our... Yeah.
See a junior ranger over there battling the rain gear. Time to eat. Now this is in Alachua. This is our hometown here. Main Street. Conestogas is where we're eating. Sometimes the pictures do better than the video clips, but this is the pictures inside the restaurant. We had a great meal, and in a second here you'll see a video clip. I hope it's good enough to see the place. And it gives you an idea inside.
Do you want it a cup or a cone? Sugar or water? Okay, they are extra, is that okay? Yeah.
Well, we're coming to the end of our video, and like I said, we had a good meal and everything, and I think we're only about 5 minutes from the house here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check out our webpage. They're all there if you want to spend some time looking. Well, I'll let the video run out. See you guys on the road. Later. You guys have fun today?
Oh, nice ride.
Yeah, we did. This guy took us everywhere. We didn't even know where we were.
I didn't either at one time.
Go round and round in circles.
Circles, yeah, I was singing that tune. And that police officer in what, Fort White?
Yeah.
He was probably there. There you go again.
He's probably wondering if they go around again, maybe I'll just pull him.
Yeah. All right, Sprocket. Say goodnight, buddy.